everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did now who they Zuzu, now who they Calavan. Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. How are we all doing? I hope you are doing great. Sorry for my quality video. Let me on my ring light if you. Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. How are we all doing? I hope you are doing great. All my returning subscriber, I'm loyal, I'm humble. My new subscriber, I'm loyal, I'm humble. How are we all doing? Please, before watching this video, please like the video, share if you can share to your brother, share to your sister. I want to talk about mohbad, where I'm musician. I don't talk about before, but I don't really no deliberate on him. May his soul rest in peace. Let us still give him 1 minute of silence. Yes, the reason why I want to talk about many people now that they talk about say Naira Marley not buy him, Naira Marley not take him, just because of say they get issue, I make Naira Marley remove him. My people, there is this video I want to try to play. People, mostly Nigeria, there's a lot of jobless people. They don't even know what is going on. Waiting, they just no need, where noise they, where crowd they will just go there, go gather. If you get brother, if you get sister, and you get access to internet, and you see something where they happen, please enlighten your brother, enlighten your sister. Tell them waiting they go on. Tell them the real truth. That's why I tell my brother, my sister, those who touch school at all. Please, when do you do social media of a thing, don't just follow just because of na lie, na the bad side, na they say parts. No, bring the good one. If people know you as a truth person, or people know you as a good, you bring the news, come clean, reasonable people, responsible people, they will start following you. But when you're full of lie, many touts, agbiru, they will start following you. I know those are the things we the social media want, because we want crowd, we want view. The how your view high, that is how you get your money. I'm sorry what I want to talk. So before I continue, my people, I would like us to watch this video. All my money view, I appreciate every one of you all. Okay, I'm loyal, I'm humble. Let's watch this people, this interview. I see this news from our brother regarding Parara mock news. I said no, I need to put my own voice too, because we don't even know who they watch us. Let's hear from him. Let's hear from those guys.
Oh, now we're black and black. What did happen?
Show oh, guy, wait time.
What did the name?
Show mohbad.
Mohbad?
Yeah.
Who be Mohbad?
I want Calabar guy when they say you work for your guy.
Is mohbad Calabar guy? Naigbo! If they make it head the gaga behind it, sing that music that year. Naigbo! If they make it head the girare. Naigbo! If they make it head the My people, mohbad na Calabar man. My people, mohbad. Those are the people who full streets, shouting, backing, crying. They don't know wetin happen. Wetin they know it's let people gather. This is the reason why people address, talk to people, some people they are just there, their head not there. My people, let's hear more.
Naira Marley, you know, settle and I can send people go kill him.
The Calabar boy work for your guy.
He work for your guy, and your guy don't work for you know what settle now. So the boy won't come out, and send people go kill him.
This one well now we're black and black.
My people, I hope you guys hear from that little video I play. Those are the people now causing traffic, hold up for people not to pass, because they are jobless. They don't know nothing. Their own is where people gather. Let me go and join them and gather. It's good somebody who go. We should give that person respect. We mourn the person. But this is not more. For many things that is going up on this social media, when some of our educated people who carry this matter, they just because of money, those whole things is because of money. View. I want to be famous. I want people to know me. Simple things that happen between mohbad and Naira Marley. What about is this our brother now, Naira Marley, that he enemy by, and this guy is alive? Do you think they will take it like this? Because Naira Marley is more famous more than this guy. Okay, the way we the Nigeria citizen, we are doing it now. Do you think Naira Marley tomorrow will ever help anybody again? The way we are taking those whole things, yes, if Naira Marley have hand on it, we should let the authority take, you know, take decision. We should let the authority investigate the way they dig the guy out of ground, so that they will know who really have hand on it. They want to do autopsy. But the one you guys are trying to, talk about this Naira Marley so bad, and the result is not out yet, that is Naira Marley really kpai this guy. You guys should not forget, if you are a lady, you have fight with a girl like you before. If you are a guy, you have get one-on-one, misunderstanding with a guy like you before. Naira Marley and this guy, they have issue. Then Naira Marley asked him to go out, that he don't need him again. Those videos that you guys are not, share it. Oh, you guys just concentrate. They said dead person have the, because he's not here to judge, to talk his own. Then everybody will join him. But Naira Marley and this guy, they are not living the same place. This guy have place where he's living. It's over 1 year now when this guy leave Naira Marley. When Naira Marley and this guy go their separate way. Okay, this guy now buy. Why will the Nigeria citizen carry the matter, insulting Naira Marley on social media, calling him all kind of name? You that is insulting Naira Marley. Imagine Naira Marley is your brother, and you know in your deeply heart that Naira Marley just render help to this person. Then the thing want to come up, you want to break something, then they fight. Then everybody go their separate way. After 1 year, the person not buy. Then we say it's your brother that buy that person. Can you take it? Before we lay judge on people, we should still take it easy. Boys and boys have issue. Girls and girls have issue. My people, you guys that don't understand this thing, let me break it down. There is one Nigeria superstar who passed on to glory. Then there is this guy, he live in UK. Then he's a musician, Nigerian musician. Then he see this guy in the streets. Then he render help to this guy. He see the guy talent, but the guy is just a street guy. Then this guy, Naira Marley, he took him in. Then he tried to change his life. On their way, now they have misunderstanding. They fight. They drove him out from their house. Then this guy mom come back to beg Naira Marley. Naira Marley said no. According to the explanation, Naira Marley said he take too much drug. That after he take too much, then he will start scattering things in the house. We start fighting people. Then that is why they don't want him again. The boy have been doing his own over a year plus now. Then the guy now happening to Beme. Beme mean, rest in peace. Later now, the Nigeria, some of them, they are jobless people. Look at this kind of person now. He said mohbad is where? Calabar. Is it mohbad Calabar? He's a Yoruba guy who play music, who Naira Marley help out of street. There is a lot of talent people on street, which people don't want to help. Is this Naira Marley, I really see that he will go to street, he will remove some children, to change their life. These are the people now, my Nigeria, they are dragging. You guys don't even wait for government judge. You guys don't even wait for investigate so that they will really know it's Naira Marley. People, I see there a lot on Instagram. Go and unfollow Naira Marley. Go and stop playing Naira Marley music. Oh, stop. What is this? You guys should still remember he's a human being. Naira Marley use blood. Imagine they are dragging you like this. Imagine. Not they are dragging, they are using your word. Oh. Somebody peme, somebody buy, somebody rest in peace. You guys don't catch Naira Marley with red-handed that, oh, you are the one that when Naira Marley is beating him, or when you guys, he's just, suggest. Then you will focus on your stream. Insulting this guy who wants contribute to this guy's life, who removed this guy for street, who made governor state go and visit his mom, or is still through Naira Marley. Oh, if you know how many people peme a day in that Nigeria, did government visit them? No. It's because, you see, when we are judging, we should still look the good side of people. This Naira Marley, now we don't even know if it is the one that made this guy. My people, my Nigeria people, we should not put Naira Marley in a bad condition. What of Naira Marley that's what happened to him? You guys will be happy. Many of you will be saying, oh, I drag him too much. Oh, I contribute. This one that just left us now, we mixing. We are playing the music. Many people don't even play the music before now, just because of celebrate people when they are alive. People who never know him music before, just because the guy me now, automatically start playing the music. It's good also, but celebrate when somebody is alive, not when somebody die. Naira Marley now is alive. Let us leave him. If he have hand on it, let the autopsy speak. Some people said, oh, he always contact me. He said, why can't you give him that chance? But Naira Marley was there. Remove this guy from street. Give this guy chance to build himself. Then he now come up with quarrel. Everybody go their separate way. After 1 year, you guys are shouting online. You guys are causing traffic in Nigeria. I watch when they want to bury this guy. People, some of their star, like this guy, I forget his name, like Officer Works. If you are the fans of those Yorubas people who, I forget the other person name. He's a little bit, Then he tried to go and pay his last respect. Some of those touts, they don't. I call them that name because they're agbero. You guys don't know what the parents are passing through. You are there causing traffic, unnecessary traffic, insulting somebody who removed, poverty out of this guy's face. Please, my Nigeria people, I'm not doing this my video just because of say I need famous. I'm doing this video because I want my Nigeria people. Please, before doing something, double think. Remember where this person for help this person. If Naira Marley have hand on it, then he will face the law. Something we don't know if Naira Marley have hand or he don't. Why are we dragging Naira Marley? Why are we petting him bad? Why are we calling his name for? I don't know, my people. Let's give peace where peace supposed to be. Let's leave this guy. You think Naira Marley will not feel it? You think Naira Marley, he will not feel bad or he will not feel sad? Because this guy and Naira Marley, they have eaten together before. This guy and Naira Marley, they have done things together before. Except only devil, Timo, that will not feel bad, sad, as this guy passed on. Except Naira Marley have hand on it. If he don't have hand on it and this guy just go, Naira Marley will have a lot of things that will be going on top of his head, inside his head. How will this guy is with me? Do you think he will buy? How will this guy is with me? Do you think he will go like that? A lot of things will be going on his head too. Because there are ones like this before. He's the one that removed him out of streets. Please, use your social media for good. Use your social media to educate people. Use your social media to create pics, not pixies. Use your social media to bring joy, laugh to people. Not and those kind of people is just because it's hot. Using dead person, my people, where is conscience of human being? Using dead person to create traffic on your channel. We don't have respect for that again. If I just say, hey, Naira Marley have hand, I will just say, I know one day everybody will die. And pray for long life and prosperity. But including me, one day, God will still call me home. Nobody will live here forever. We pray for long life. But let's take it easy. We are too desperate for this famous and view and money. Those social media people. Death don't have respect. You don't have respect for death. My people, I just say let me play these people. Mostly these people. Those are the people who is causing traffic. Mohbad, you don't even know. Aye. You don't even know anything about Mohbad. You just start backing. Death. Mohbad may also rest in peace. So somebody who have hand in your doubt. If it is true, not your death that call you home. It's somebody that have hand. God in heaven will not forgive that person. Your spirit will haunt that person. That person is exposed. But if it is, the will of God, may you also rest in peace. Keep resting on. My people, now this is why I try to tell my Nigeria citizens. Say, no be everybody na see for streets. He heard normal. Not be everybody na see for streets. Say, what will happen. Many of them don't know. Where the crowd follow, now they follow. Including with the social media, they do social media.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mind that you job and I know